So now we're doing menu 3-2 by hand. So this is menu 3-2 by hand. Go ahead and put your name on your paper. Put today's date. For me, it is the 10th. And we are going to use the elimination method to find where they cross. That's what we're doing. So we're looking for a point, and we're going to use menu 3-2 to check our answer. So the first step is to add. Now the reason I can go ahead and start eliminating is because this problem is ready for elimination. And I know that because when I go to add, this gives me, oh, and on your papers, go ahead and put a negative sign in front of the 2x because it's not there. So go ahead and do that first. Okay, now I can add this because 5x minus 2x is the same as 5x plus a negative 2x. That means I have 3x's left. Well, look what happens to this. A negative 3 plus a positive 3 cancels. And this is what ready for elimination looks like. Negative, positive, 3, 3. That's 0. Now I add 12 and 6 and get 18. Divide by 3. And x equals 6. So I have the x of my point. Now let's find the y. Pick any equation, either this one or that one, doesn't matter. Either one of these equations. So I'm going to pick the top equation. And I am going to leave a spot open for x because I want to plug in x because I need the other number in my point. So it is 6, and I get 30 minus 3y equals 12. Now we have to solve this. So subtract 30. And we bring down negative 3y equals, be careful. If you need to use the calculator to do that, to do so. I'm going to make a mistake on purpose and show you what happens when you use menu 3-2. So according to what I wrote, y equals negative 8 over 3. So I write negative 8 over 3 up here, right? Well, negative divided by negative is a positive, so 8 over 3. If this is correct, menu 3-2 is going to show me that it is correct. If it's wrong, it's going to show me that too. So let's do that. Menu 3-2. I'm going to type in 5x minus 3y equals 12. Negative 2x plus 3y equals 6. Make sure I typed in everything right. So 6 is the x. I didn't get 8 over 3. It's supposed to be 6. Let's see if we can find a mistake. 12 minus 30 is not 8. It's 18. And then a negative 18 divided by negative 3 gives me that y is 6. So there is a mistake. And now it matches what the calculator told me it would be. Let's do the next example. Elimination. Ready for elimination? Yes, it is. And how is that? I see that my x's are ready for canceling. So I can add. I'm going to add to cancel. This added to this. Cancels. 2 plus 2 gives me 4y. Now I add these two. And a negative 40 plus 96 is a positive 56. And 56 divided by 4 is 14. Okay, now I am going to take the bottom equation and plug in my y. So 14 goes here. That is 4x plus 28 equals 96. Subtract 28 from both sides. Four x equals 68. Now we divide by 4, and we get x is 17. So for my point, x is 17 goes here, and y is 14 goes here. This is the solution. I have just used elimination to find where they cross. So we use menu 3-2 to check our work. Menu 3-2. Negative 4x plus 2y equals negative 40. 4x plus 2y equals 96. And 1714 is the answer. Okay, we'll do the next example, which is not ready for elimination, in the next video.